Most tire shop owners don't burn out because they're lazy. They burn out because they're trapped in chaos. Phones ringing, customers waiting, staff asking questions, stock missing, deliveries delayed, and somehow everything depends on them. But here's the strange part. Some tire shop owners stay calm even on their busiest days. What are they doing differently? If running a tire business feels exhausting, this episode might change how you look at stress completely. Because the difference between burnout and control usually isn't hard work. It's systems. And by the end, you'll see exactly what calm tire businesses do differently. Running a tire shop today is harder than most people realize. Customers want quick service. Prices are competitive. Staff management is tough. And every delay feels expensive. But here's something no one talks about. Many tire shop owners aren't stressed because the business is hard. They're stressed because everything feels reactive. Phone rings? React. Customer complaint? React. Stock missing? React. Staff problem? React. And suddenly, the whole day feels like firefighting. This is where most people mess up. They think stress is just part of the tire trade. Not always. A lot of stress comes from weak systems, not just hard work. Let's start with the first difference between calm businesses and overwhelmed ones. Calm tire shops don't rely on memory. Now be honest for a second. How much of your business lives inside your head? Bookings? Customer follow-ups? Stock levels? Staff tasks? Because when everything depends on memory, chaos becomes normal. A customer calls asking about tires. You think, I'll remember to check. Someone asks about stock. You're trying to remember if it came last week. That mental pressure adds up fast. Smart operators reduce stress by building systems. Simple booking processes, better stock organization, clear workflows, not complicated systems, just clear systems, because structure removes mental overload. And this leads to the second big difference. They plan ahead. Reactive shops wait for problems. Organized shops prepare before problems happen, checking stock before shortages, reviewing bookings early, planning workloads instead of guessing. It sounds simple, but small preparation removes huge stress. Think about this. How many problems in your shop could have been avoided with just a little planning? Comment control if you know exactly what I mean. Now, here's something tire shop owners rarely admit. Many businesses become exhausting because the owner is doing everything. Every decision, every customer issue, every staff question, every problem, that works for a while, until it doesn't, because eventually the business starts controlling you. Strong tire shops train staff properly. Not perfectly, but consistently. Clear systems, clear expectations, processes staff can actually follow. Because if everything only works when the owner is there, that's not control. That's dependency. Don't skip this part. Efficiency matters more than most people realize. Sometimes stress isn't coming from customers. It's coming from poor operations. Wasted movement, bad layout, constant confusion, no clear process. And without noticing, stress becomes the shop's normal environment. But efficient businesses feel different. Things flow. Staff know what to do. Customers move faster. Problems get solved quicker. The shop feels calmer even when busy. And here's a hard truth. Busy does not always mean successful. Some tire shop owners are constantly moving, constantly busy, constantly stressed, but still losing control. Smart operators focus on controlled growth, not chaos. Because growth without structure usually creates bigger problems. Now think about this for a second. Are you busy because business is growing? Or busy because systems are missing? That answer matters. Because constant stress has hidden costs, bad decisions, poor customer service, frustrated staff, slower growth, and eventually burnout. Every tire business gets busy. That part never changes. But the shops that stay strong long-term usually create better control, clearer systems, and stronger routines. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available. TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.